Is your Roborock S5 Max more of a spinning top than a cleaning robot? Frustrating, right?
Bruh.
You press start, expecting a clean sweep, but instead, it's just going round and round. The problem is often a malfunction within the right wheel motor itself. It might be a simple motor issue or even a problem with the internal wiring. Ignoring it risks internal damage, potentially voiding your warranty and leaving you with a hefty repair bill or the need to buy a whole new robot vacuum cleaner. Plus, who has time for a DIY robot surgery? Attempting a DIY repair on a Roborock S5 Max with a faulty right wheel, causing it to spin endlessly, is riskier than you might think. You could easily damage other sensitive internal components during the process, leading to even more expensive repairs. Those tiny gears and delicate wiring are easily mishandled, especially without the right tools and expertise. Furthermore, opening your Roborock S5 Max almost certainly voids your warranty. What if the problem isn't a simple wheel issue, but a more complex internal malfunction? Incorrect diagnosis could waste your time and potentially even exacerbate the problem. Don't gamble with your valuable investment. Let RoboCare's professionals handle the repair. It's the safer, more effective, and ultimately more cost-efficient option. Our technicians at RoboCare have years of experience diagnosing and repairing the spinning problem in the Roborock S5 Max. We possess specialized tools, genuine parts, and the expert knowledge to get your robot back to its peak cleaning performance without risking further damage or voiding your warranty. Throughout the entire process, we maintain clear communication with you, providing updates on the progress and giving you an accurate estimate of when your repaired vacuum will be ready for return. We're committed to keeping you informed every step of the way. Now, let's move on to the We Show Results section and see firsthand how RoboCare brings your Roborock back to life. And ta-da! The Roborock S5 Max is back in action. Notice the smooth, efficient cleaning. No more frustrating spins, just spotless floors. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
The difference is incredible. My Roborock is back to quietly and effectively doing its job. It's like having a new vacuum cleaner. I was really impressed with the level of professionalism and expertise at RoboCare.
Contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center or use our courier service for convenient and expert Roborock repairs. We're here to get your robot cleaning again.